Welcome back to the channel. The breast pump is a crucial device in modern infant care, serving as an indispensable tool for millions of lactating mothers around the world. Its significance goes far beyond mere convenience. It represents empowerment, flexibility, and health for both mother and child. At its core, a breast pump is a mechanical device that extracts milk from the breasts of a lactating woman, either manually or electrically, and has evolved tremendously from its rudimentary forms into sophisticated technology that mimics a baby's natural suckling pattern. As women increasingly navigate multiple roles in both professional and personal spheres, the need for reliable, efficient breast milk expression methods has intensified. The device helps mothers maintain milk supply, provide nourishment during separations from their infants, relieve engorgement, and overcome latching challenges. For preterm or ill babies who cannot breastfeed directly, a breast pump can be a lifeline, allowing the mother to offer the health benefits of breast milk even when direct feeding is not feasible. Breast milk is widely recognized as the optimal source of nutrition for infants, packed with essential antibodies, enzymes, hormones, and nutrients tailored for a baby's developmental needs. The ability to pump and store breast milk has empowered mothers to provide this vital nourishment even when they are not physically present, ensuring their children receive the immunological and developmental advantages of breastfeeding. In many healthcare systems, especially in neonatal intensive care units, NICUs, pumped breast milk is often the preferred or required form of nutrition for vulnerable newborns. This ability to deliver breast milk through alternate feeding methods, whether by bottle, cup, syringe, or feeding tube, enhances survival rates and long-term health outcomes. In situations where direct breastfeeding might be medically or logistically impossible, the breast pump bridges the gap, making it possible for more babies to receive the optimal nutrition that human milk provides. Beyond the health aspect, breast pumps have revolutionized the social and economic dynamics of parenthood. As maternal employment rates rise globally, many working mothers rely on breast pumps to manage their feeding routines. These devices allow women to return to work while continuing to provide breast milk, thus supporting both career continuity and infant health. In many regions, workplace accommodations such as lactation rooms, designated breaks for pumping, and the availability of breast milk storage equipment are legally mandated, reinforcing the societal shift toward supporting lactating employees. This infrastructure would be ineffective without the breast pump at its core. The availability of compact, discreet, and efficient pumps has also encouraged open conversations about lactation and breastfeeding, contributing to the destigmatization of public and workplace pumping. Modern breast pumps often come with features like silent operation, rechargeable batteries, wearable designs, and app integration, making them compatible with contemporary lifestyles and technologies. The technological evolution of breast pumps reflects the increasing demand for comfort, efficiency, and convenience. Early breast pumps were rudimentary, often manually operated and inefficient. These devices were generally reserved for hospital use and were often associated with discomfort and stigma. The introduction of electric pumps in the mid-20th century marked a turning point. They offered increased efficiency and comfort, allowing for more effective milk expression with less physical effort. Over time, innovation in materials science, ergonomics, and user feedback has given rise to a new generation of pumps. These modern devices are lightweight, portable, quiet, and equipped with customizable suction and rhythm settings. Some of the most advanced models use microsensors to analyze milk flow and adjust suction accordingly, mimicking an infant's natural nursing pattern and optimizing milk letdown. Integration with smartphone apps has further enhanced the user experience, allowing mothers to track pumping sessions, milk volume, and feeding schedules digitally. In addition to technological advancements, the market for breast pumps has expanded dramatically. Once considered a niche medical device, the breast pump is now a mainstream consumer product with a diverse user base. There are manual pumps, ideal for occasional use or travel, single electric pumps, suitable for moderate use, and double electric pumps, designed for frequent or exclusive pumpers. Wearable pumps, which fit discreetly into a bra and operate silently, represent the latest frontier in hands-free lactation. These innovations reflect changing cultural attitudes toward motherhood, lactation, and bodily autonomy. Marketing strategies now focus not only on functionality but also on lifestyle integration, design aesthetics, and user empowerment. As awareness of the benefits of breastfeeding grows, so too does the demand for high-quality, accessible breast pump options. This increased availability and variety cater to a broad spectrum of needs and preferences, enabling more women to breastfeed according to their own circumstances and goals. Breast pumps are also central to discussions around maternal rights, healthcare access, and public policy. In countries with comprehensive maternity leave policies and public health systems, breast pump availability is often integrated into postpartum care plans. Hospitals may provide breast pumps to new mothers, and insurance companies frequently cover their cost. In contrast, in regions with limited maternal support infrastructure, the availability of breast pumps can be inconsistent, and access is often tied to socioeconomic status. Efforts to address these disparities include donation programs, hospital-grade pump lending initiatives, and public health campaigns aimed at promoting breastfeeding support services. These measures acknowledge the breast pump not merely as a consumer product, but as a critical healthcare tool. In humanitarian and emergency contexts, such as refugee camps or disaster zones, breast pumps can help ensure that infants continue to receive breast milk even when feeding routines are disrupted. Culturally, the breast pump occupies a complex space. While it is widely accepted in many societies, it can also be the subject of taboo or misunderstanding. For some women, the act of pumping may feel clinical or emotionally distant compared to the intimacy of direct breastfeeding. Others may experience feelings of empowerment, viewing the pump as a symbol of independence and control over their own bodies. These emotional responses are shaped by cultural narratives, personal experiences, and social support systems. Educational efforts aimed at normalizing and demystifying breast pumping have helped reduce stigma, but challenges remain. Media portrayals, celebrity endorsements, and social media communities have played a role in reshaping the narrative, portraying pumping as a normal, even celebrated, aspect of motherhood. These representations contribute to a broader acceptance of diverse feeding choices and challenge outdated norms around female bodies and caregiving roles. On a psychological level, the experience of using a breast pump can be multifaceted. For some women, it is a practical, even empowering, solution to a logistical challenge. For others, it can be a source of stress, especially when combined with time constraints, workplace demands, and concerns about milk supply. The sound of the pump, the need for privacy, and the management of equipment and storage can add layers of complexity to a mother's daily routine. Support from partners, employers, and healthcare providers plays a crucial role in mitigating these challenges. Counseling, lactation consultation, and peer support groups offer vital resources to women navigating the emotional landscape of pumping. The design and usability of the pump itself can also affect a mother's experience. Intuitive controls, comfortable flanges, and easy cleaning mechanisms can significantly reduce frustration and enhance the sense of agency. Economically, the breast pump industry represents a significant market segment within maternal and infant care. It includes not only the pumps themselves but also an ecosystem of accessories, replacement parts, storage containers, sterilization equipment, and related services. Companies compete not just on product quality but also on innovation, branding, and customer support. The growth of online retail has transformed purchasing patterns, allowing mothers to research, compare, and purchase pumps from the comfort of their homes. Subscription models, rental services, and pump sharing networks further diversify the market. Some companies also offer customization options, insurance reimbursement facilitation, and multilingual customer service, making the experience more inclusive and supportive. This commercial ecosystem reflects and reinforces the breast pump's centrality to modern parenting. Environmental considerations have also become increasingly relevant in discussions about breast pump usage. Like many modern consumer products, breast pumps generate waste in the form of plastic components, packaging, and single-use accessories such as milk storage bags. The use of batteries and electronic components introduces additional concerns about electronic waste. In response, some manufacturers have begun to explore sustainable alternatives, including recyclable materials, biodegradable components, and modular designs that extend the life of the pump through replaceable parts. Reusability, repairability, and responsible disposal programs are gradually gaining traction. Mothers who are environmentally conscious may also choose manual or non-electric pumps to reduce their ecological footprint. These developments reflect a growing awareness of the need to balance convenience with sustainability, especially in products related to infant care. The design of a breast pump is a critical factor in its effectiveness and user satisfaction. Elements such as flange size, suction pattern, portability, noise level, and cleaning complexity all influence the pumping experience. A poorly fitting flange can lead to discomfort, reduced milk output, and even tissue damage. Modern pumps often come with multiple flange sizes or silicone inserts to ensure a better fit. The suction pattern, how the pump mimics the baby's sucking, can also affect milk letdown and volume. Some pumps offer stimulation and expression modes, while others use smart technology to learn and replicate an individual's optimal pattern. Portability and discretion are increasingly valued, particularly by mobile or working mothers. Pumps that are small enough to fit into a handbag, quiet enough for use during meetings, and easy to clean and assemble are in high demand. Innovations in closed system designs have further improved hygiene and safety by preventing milk backflow and contamination. Healthcare providers play a critical role in educating new mothers about breast pumps and their use. Lactation consultants often guide women through the process of choosing a pump, learning how to use it correctly, and troubleshooting common issues. Proper education can make the difference between a positive and negative pumping experience. Hospitals often introduce breast pump usage in the immediate postpartum period, especially when infants are in the NICU or when mothers are recovering from cesarean sections or other complications. This early exposure helps mothers build confidence and understand the value of milk expression. Continued follow-up through pediatric visits, support groups, or telehealth can reinforce good practices and provide encouragement. Education also extends to partners and family members, who can support the pumping process by helping with cleaning, storage, and emotional encouragement.